yo, it's my first video. I never did a video, so I'm kind of new, so might or may not be. Might be fun to you guys. It might be funny to some people, but might not be fun to some people.